Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials just like this. Let's jump into the basics of Microsoft Excel and get you comfortable using one of the most powerful tools in the world. When you open Excel for the first time, you'll see a blank worksheet made up of tiny boxes called cells. Each cell has an address, like A1 or B5, based on its column letter and row number. This is where you'll type in numbers, text, or formulas. Start by clicking on any cell and typing anything you want. Press Enter to move down or Tab to move across. Excel is basically a giant grid where you can store and organize data. Next, let's talk about simple formatting. Highlight any group of cells and use the toolbar at the top to make the text bold, change colors, adjust alignment, or add borders. These basic tools help keep your sheet clean and easy to read. You can also adjust column sizes by dragging the border between letters at the top. If your text is cut off, just widen the column until everything shows clearly. Now let's try a basic formula. Click on an empty cell and type equals, then type a simple equation, like equals 5 plus 5. Press Enter and Excel will calculate it. You can also add numbers from cells by typing something like equals A1 plus A2. This is the heart of Excel, letting the program do the math for you. If you want to sum a long list, use the AutoSum button. Highlight the numbers, click AutoSum, and Excel will instantly give you the total. Another beginner essential is sorting and filtering data. If you have a list, highlight it and click the Sort and Filter button. You can sort A to Z, highest to lowest, or create filters to hide specific information. This is super helpful once you start working with larger tables. One last thing, saving your file. Click File, Save As, and choose the location. Give your file a name you'll remember. Excel auto-saves if you're using OneDrive, but saving manually is always a safe habit. That's the basic foundation of Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who's learning Excel for the first time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.